Is this a Shamrock Shuffle?
I think so.
Or Valentine's Day? Oh, Jingle Bell. Oh, yeah, it must be Christmas time. So a little Santa action here.
Yep, little Santa action here.
Call me Skinny Claus.
You know, I didn't plan ahead this morning. I woke up and I thought, oh gee, I only have a Santa hat. So I dug in my closet and this is what I found.
Actually, it's pretty warm today.
Yeah, once you get started today, it's fantastic compared to past years when it usually is pretty cold. So
Not too windy and pretty sunny and stuff, so.
I think it's a great race and a great cause. So always like to come out in a costume, though, to make it fun.